This was like a whole new book for the history of Thessaloniki, a fully automated driverless metro. This project has a tremendous added value in terms both of convenience to the public, environmental benefits, but also a shift in the mindset of the people of this city. We serve an average of 100,000 passengers per day, and we are in the position to declare an almost 15% reduction of traffic downtown. We're very happy that we managed to preserve the antiquities that were found along the way. We are standing in Venizelos, that is probably the only archaeological place in the world that is underground, and that is mated with a metro station as well. It's an open conversation of the city's history with the city's present and future.